How big this place is and this is all packed. It's all the local. Wow. All these youngsters. See the menu? Okay. We order one of each. And we'll try this first, and then whatever we like, we order some more. We also order Thai tea and golden tea right here. Look at this place. Packed. Very good? Okay guys, I just asked this group over here what's good, and they tell me this one, and this one. So we're gonna try all this, and then we're gonna go back and order these two. Okay? I'm hungry. How about you?
Yeah, I am too.
Okay. Bowl coming out. Thank you. All right. Look at that. Okay. Put it together. Okay, they gave us 9 bowls. And we're gonna order some more. All right, Andy.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, put everything on there. Move out. This is MSG, okay? Hold you.
Hold on. Let me try it first.
Okay.
This one's already a little spicy.
That's spicy right there.
Yeah.
And then I think it's vinegar. Put vinegar. Chili? Now, good? Alright. And then I think you want to add some chip in here if you want. Add chip on. And then this is pork skin. Well. Okay, I'll eat mine guys. So, này chọn mix it up. Now, they have morning gori. I think it's pork, some kind of meat, and meatball. That's right. Oh, what's this? Okay. Good. Good. Is it sour? Wow, that has a kick to it. Let me try the meatball. I think the meatball is pretty good. It's really bouncy. That was beef.
That was beef?
Beefy flavor is really good too.
They do give a lot of peanuts.
I think I'm out. Thank you. Okay, 1 green tea and 1 Thai tea.
I don't know, my next one is more
Put the
like
chili on.
black. This one like fish
Chả.
cake. Yeah.
Chả.
The flat noodle.
Flat noodle.
White flat noodle.
This is a này giống hủ tiếu á. Rice noodle, meatball, pork, and I think this is also beef right here. Right here. Wow, this is sour. Okay, I probably want two only. I put so much earlier. Yeah, thank you. Okay, good. Sit up. Here you go, guys. I might have two bites.
You done with this one?
Yeah. Two bites. Good. Ngon. Morning glory.
They're all good.
Sounds good, huh? Yeah, it looks like all the local eat here. So, table is gone. New customers come in rarely. Wow, beef good. Beef's really good.
Maybe you should try something like this one.
The beef is like my car, yeah. Like Vietnamese beef stew. Just like Vietnamese beef stew. I think this fried garlic. Yeah, fried garlic. Okay, now my turn to try the white noodle with shredded pork, this pork, this cake, and again pepper. This is spicy, okay?
That looks like a black noodle.
Black noodle. Yeah, it is black noodle. This is spicy. It's good. And I'm not too much. I don't like too much MSG. This is vinegar. Yeah, mix it up. Spicy, huh? Very good. Actually, this cracker is pretty good, huh? Yeah, cái này ngon. It's good too. Last noodle. I'll try the fish cake. Yeah, fish cake.
วานไป27อ่ะ
So crowded.
Okay, so we order more here, and we order more eggs. Look at this egg, guys. Wow. Look at this. At first. Okay, this is spicy. This is good. Vinegar. Chili. Mix it up. Okay. I'll try egg first. This one a little salty. On a salty type. It's okay. Egg's okay. It's an egg. Put some sauce on it.
It's okay. This one's good. You should try this one. I ate that.
Okay. You eat this one? I'm gonna try this one.
I think this is more like pork, huh?
Cái da nó dày á, cái da it could be gold. I'm not sure. Yeah. It might not be beef. It could be gold. Yeah. Taste it. It's good too. Very good? I think this one is salted. You stack it up and they figure out how much. Wow, spicy, good. Each bowl have two. This is good. Chili pickle.
Not much to put in it.
egg noodle. Egg noodle. There you go. Ngon không hả? Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish the bowl, and we're gonna talk quick right here. Ngon quá. Good. Okay, they have soup noodle here too. I did not know that. Next time. Look, there's a line. There's a guy by the river. That's where we ate. That's a line, look like. Over here is pretty much empty. On this side. Over here much more busier. Alright, go home. Okay, I ordered myself salty plum with lime juice, 30 baht on the way home. Alright, let's go.